Well, I think I'm going to go live, and I am live. Santos Jr. here, aka Soldier of Self-Mastery, Philosopher of Everyday Victorious Living. That's who I am. Self-empowerment life coach. Honestly, it doesn't really bother me what you may think of me. And I hope that you're a friend. But if you're not, this message could be for you. By the way, I'm at your service out of Stockton, California. So if you ever want to connect with me, my information is going to be below this video. There's going to be a couple of links below. You can connect with me. And I would encourage you to do so. I want to share a few things. I want to talk about everyday life. I want to talk about your character, my friend. One of the reasons why I'm making this video is because I'm a little bit, I guess you can say maybe I'm a little bit pissed off, a little bit bothered. Because, and usually I don't make a video, usually make a video with clothes on. But you know what? I'm going to make this video, and it is what it is. You know, I'm not going to walk around living my life in fear of people or what people think of me. Whatever. You know what? That's total bullshit. And every day that you get up, my friend, just like I got to get up every day, you got to have established values in your life. You got to have principles in your life. You know, a video ago I talked about mirror talk, about crushing one powerful, phenomenal life hack that you can use on yourself to crush anything. The specifics, I was talking about problem gambling. Now, I don't know about you, but I've had a hard life. I've had a very difficult childhood. I've gone through shit in my life. You know, I wasn't born into wealth. And over the years, I've had many struggles. I've had many challenges that I didn't know how to overcome. I just didn't know how to overcome them. Somehow I got through those situations, but it wasn't what was needed in order for me to grow. I kind of hope that you understand what I'm getting at here. This is philosophy. I'm talking about character building here in this video. I'm encouraging you to get a notepad, get a pen. Get your own thoughts going together here. My friend, if you're stuck in life, if you feel like shit, if you are troubled, maybe you have a job, maybe you're working, maybe you've got money coming in, or maybe you're under the weather like I am. I was injected with a upper respiratory virus is what they call it at the hospital. So I'm just kind of, you know, it's par for the course. I'm going through the days to get back to where I need to be. But in the meantime, I wanted to bring this message because it's important that you and I live by values. It's important that you and I, every single day that you get up, you gotta lay your standards down for yourself. And you know, sometimes we get a little sidetracked with other people or situations. But the key is to catch it. Notice it. What's going on? You know, when we allow things, experiences, or people to dominate, when we walk over our own values, our own core values, when you step over your own core values to please somebody, you're going to make yourself sick. And in a sense, that's what I feel I've kind of gone through recently in my own life. You must decide how you're going to live your life from the moment that you get up in the morning. You must decide. You must use. I talk about a lot of these life hacks that I use on myself. I talk about the Problem Gambling Breakthrough Academy. It's available. I talk about my book. I don't think a lot of people take me serious because most people, in all honesty, I notice they're not really doing what they need to be doing. So if you don't draw a line in the cement, I remember these are principles that I live by, right? Somebody mentioned, hey, Santos, you need to start bringing up more of the gambling videos. You need to start talking more about how you overcame gambling and what it is that one needs to do in order to crush gambling like you do. You know what? I'm free from gambling. It feels good from my end to be able to share what I'm sharing with you. Again, we must be concentrating on our individual personal lives, because if we don't, what are you going to do when people run you over? What are you going to do when you're in situations where you know it's almost like you got to compromise? What are you going to do? Are you going to stand up for yourself? Are you going to stand up against that temptation? Are you going to stand up against that trigger? I talk about using your timeouts, having timeouts during the week, setting things up. You got to have a plan. You got to have a system. You got to have a plan. You got to have a step-by-step system, my friend. If you don't have that, you don't have anything, really. You're just kind of daydreaming, thinking that you're going to... No, I'm being honest with you. You got to have... That's one of the reasons why I wrote the book, the LRB. That's another reason why I'm asking you to watch the videos over and over if you have to. That's why I asked you guys to get a journal. Do the mirror talks. Draw a line in the cement, right? Not in the sand. Put some core values into your life. Nobody's going to, no, you know what? Nothing in this world is going to respect you if you don't respect yourself. Nothing in this world will respect you if you don't respect yourself. And I've come, you know, like I said, I'm still under the weather. My nose is runny. I've got a cough. I've been this way for a couple days. I'm grateful. I'm thankful that I've gone through this infection. You know, at times it's even felt like I wanted to have a panic attack because I couldn't breathe through my nose. You ever get that way where you begin to panic a little bit because you can't breathe? That's how bad it's been. What do? You know what? You don't react. You respond to situations, right? You don't react. You respond to situations. That's what I train myself to do every single day. And people are going to laugh at me. People are going to hate me. People are going to think I'm a con. People are going to think I'm a fraud. People are going to think this other thing of me. I don't give a shit. I know who I am. I could look you straight in the eyes and say, I know who I am. I know what I want, and I know where I'm going. Even if it's at turtle speed. I don't give a shit what you think. I don't give a shit what this other person... No, I don't. Don't compromise your core values. You know, when you get up every morning... You know you're going to be tested. You know you're going to have triggers. You're going to have temptations. You know what? Face it. Man up. Woman up. Every day. Every day. I'm not even talking about 30 days. I'm talking about daily. I'm talking about daily. Once every day. You make that decision and you work on yourself every single day. Day by day. One day at a time. In the morning, you set your core values. These are principles that you got to live by. You're either going to live by these principles or you're not, and you're just going to fall by the wayside, my friend. You're going to continue to stumble. You're going to give all your money away. You're going to destroy your family. You're going to destroy your children. You're going to destroy your business. You're going to destroy your character. Are you willing to pay the price? Are you willing to pay the price, my friend? Is what I'm, I got to be blunt. Right? I got to be blunt with myself. When I look at myself in the mirror, I got to be blunt with myself. It's not a game. You must be in control. There's going to be things that happen. There's going to be things that do happen beyond your control. Okay, I understand that. There's going to be people that that's on them. You will change your world. You will change your influences. You will change your circumstances when you begin to change your mindset, when you begin to change your life. I've offered many, many life hacks, my friends, right here on YouTube. You can check out more of my videos within my playlists. You can get your book. You can go get it now. You can subscribe. I have an email coming out, 2 emails coming out every week. I do a live program on Sundays. I don't do it on Fridays. I'm going to probably do it tomorrow. As long as my throat isn't hurting, I'm going to be doing it tomorrow. That's a 30-minute live program. You can interact with me. I would really appreciate it if you interacted with me. That'd be awesome. But I'll tell you one thing, man. This 2019 is going to be a year of no excuses for me. Because I'm not going to hold excuses against myself either, man. Whatever I commit, whatever values, whatever core values, whatever principles I lay down and I say, this is me, this is how I'm going to live, that's exactly what I'm going to do. That's exactly what I'm going to teach others to do the same thing. So I hope you're in on this with me, my friend. And I salute you wherever you are. If you're a person, I call you a soldier of self-mastery as I am. Santos, why do you use such language like that? Because you know what? That reminds me of who I am and who I want to be. I mean, do you want to be a soldier of self-mastery in your own life? Over your finances, over your family, over your business? That's what I want. You got to have a vision. If you don't have a vision, how are you going to get there? So, this has been a lengthy video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If it makes sense, I would encourage you to share it on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, wherever. Share it, man. Help somebody else. I'm serious about my shit, man. I tell you, I'm under the weather, but I'm just tired of all these things that we let get in the way. And I'm not going to let it. I'm going to warn people. I'm going to encourage people. I'm going to remind people we cannot let things interfere with our core values. They cannot. You got to put a stop to it. Like I said, you'll end up getting sick, my friend. Either that or you haven't drawn a line in the cement. So, with that said, I'm going to let you go. If you need some personalized coaching, I'm talking about some serious one-to-one personalized coaching. My link will be below. I'm here to help you, my friend. Get the freedom, get the mindset, get the lifestyle, get your finances, get your health, because just because I'm under the weather doesn't mean that I'm going to give up on my mineral water. Heck no. That's probably what's keeping me going through this period, is my mineral water. We need to focus on health as much as possible. But we need to retrain the brain. Draw a line. Don't let people walk all over you. Don't become a people pleaser. You know what? Stand on your values. Stand on your principles. And live the life that you want to live out every day by day, every single day, my friend. If you need help, my link will be below. Peace through strength from the top of my heart. I appreciate you, and remember to make every day super fantastic, terrific, and over the top, my friend. In spite of and because of.